렌트할 때 저기 있잖아. 저기 갔었다니까 지금.
Oh, apparently J-Hope was here as well. So let's see. We've been there before.
Yeah.
We're at the Grove. We're gonna show my mom around and go shopping because I like shopping here in LA. You know, last time I saw like several people here. This is so cute. These are the fits that I picked. This jean, this dress, and the shirt. So let's try it on. I hate Aritzia dressing rooms because there's no mirror and you have to go outside. I hate that. I hate it. I have this dress on, but I don't want to go outside. There's so many people outside. This is cute. I don't want to go outside. Oh yeah, nice mom. So if you guys saw my video last time, I was here with Lauren at the LOLOL Cafe with Laneige. And my mom wanted to come try, so we tried this one out. This is Strawberry Fields matcha. I thought the matcha was really good. Wait, I like that. It tastes like soy milk. Oh yeah, I got soy milk. I feel like the matcha quality is like pretty good. Oh, it is a Laneige. Look, it's the Brandy Cafe. I think, but the door's so big. They would never let us in. Okay, we're gonna go to Brandy, check it out. Let's see. Sometimes they have good things, sometimes they have bad things. Wait, these are so cute, Mom. So cute. I love stickers. Yeah, Brandy. Yeah. Aritzia. Yeah. Is there anywhere else to go? Gin sponsor. I feel like I'm at Disneyland. Wait, this makes me want to go to Disneyland. My mom wants to go to Disneyland. What do you guys think? Well, I went like 2 years ago with my boyfriend for the first time because we haven't been since we were like, what, 2 years old? 1 year old? So it's been like almost 20 years for my mom. So she really wants to go before she gets too old and can't ride the rides. But even now, she can't even ride the rides. She's too scared. You want to go? I think you'll not make it. I don't think you'll have fun.
I actually want to go to Orlando.
Alright, that's where the end of the video is. This is so pretty. Wait, why is LA so beautiful? This is humongous. My mom wants wired headphones because headphones irritate her ears. So she wants something that could fit through wired. But I don't think these even have the mics in it.
I need one with mic.
J-Hope is in LA, so we were like, maybe we can run into him at the Grove. Yeah, no, he's not here. I don't know if this guy's famous, but he looks kind of legit. There's a lot of people. Found this place to eat. I love Mexican food. Like, that looks so good. Wait, flaming hot Cheetos. That looks so good. I love pico de gallo. I think she gave this to me for free, I think. Because I said I love pico de gallo. We're so hungry. We've been walking all day. I can't wait to dig in. 잘 먹겠습니다. The lime in. That looks so good. Oh shoot, it's like breaking apart. Wait, Trying to fit everything into one bag. Go, Julia, go! Go, Julia!
amount of oil your skin should be producing, your skin is more dry. So because of how dry your skin is, your body is really holding on to all that water to be able to aid it into your skin. Even though your skin's more dry, these white dots on the face here are things of oil deposits, leftover skincare, just things that are currently left in the pore.
Whoa,
so
oh my gosh.
A little bit of congestion in your pores from what we're seeing. Pores are mainly enlarged due to inflammation within the pores here itself. So you see these yellow indicators? These show us where exactly in the skin you're lacking elasticity. You can actually see how the skin is a little bit more out here and this is a little bit more in. So we're gonna really touch base and give a little kick to that elasticity. Even though the device is working on it, we wanna give it about 2 times the power, right? Since your skin is super dry, we're gonna make sure to add that little extra kick of moisture for the top layer of your skin. Because it's going to be more focused on cleansing and also like less inflammation in the skin, your pores still may be slightly open, at least for the ones that got extracted out, so just to prevent more congestion from coming in. Also, when you're done, I would say use more of a micellar water to cleanse everything out, just because an oil cleanser, if that gets into the open pores, it could add some congestion in. But I would say similar to your mom, we're going to start off with regenerating to promote more skin healing. Let me just go over it.
That's so funny.
Here, the reds are what we need to work on with you today, and your blues are your positives, so you're actually right in the average. So your skin's not bad, but let's give it a little bit of a push to get it even better, okay? Let's see your type for now. 23% dry. Even though your mother's moisture level was a bit higher than yours, you're still holding on to a lot of moisture in general. You're moisturizing well, which is good, because your oil level is also lower. But it's not a bad thing, but like it just shows us exactly how much you're currently producing. So because we're seeing a lot of congestion in the pores, we're gonna add on this thing called Aqua Peel. Looks like most of your enlarged pores are on your nose to your right cheek here, and we'll take care of this today.
Wow, it looks horrible.
No, it's not bad. But then somewhere here we are seeing a lot of inflammation within the pores as well. So we'll take care of that today as well.
Thank you so much. Very extracted, but she says it'll calm down in a few hours, but that was amazing. It's so pretty. They said we could chill here until they bring us the tea, and my face is like super extracted, but it's okay. I literally feel like I'm in Korea right now. This is so nice. Okay, today was absolutely crazy. That shopping spree, it was so fun. I have not shopped like that in so long. I have never shopped, and just got whatever I wanted like that before. I've always either like thrifted something or wait for it to go on sale. So that was really like a beautiful moment for me to be able to go out and go shopping at the mall like that with my mom. Of course, I brought my mom here, and today we got a whole new shopping spree. The CLD team invited me to their PR gifting suite, and I was able to pick out like whatever I wanted, like to the limit they had. Look at my neck. Like, it's literally bruised because the bags were so heavy. I can't wait to unbox it. I just got an extraction and my face is absolutely destroyed, but she says it's gonna get better. That was awesome. So yeah, I guess this vlog was a whole self-care series. I got to do shopping. I got to do facial. I've never done a facial like this, like a legit facial. And they let me bring my mom, which was so sweet. I'm really appreciative of people who take good care of my family. So that's why I'm like really, really grateful right now. I can't wait to spend the rest of LA like this. And thank you guys. I'm supposed to go out. I don't know how I'm gonna go out like this after the extraction. She did warn me that it was gonna be red, but I did not think it was gonna be so red. It was so painful, the extraction. I was dying when I was getting my face extracted. She said it'll go down a few days and all these bumps that I had will be gone. So praying for that. She said my skin is looking good even though I scored 50. She said if with good maintenance it should get better. So that's it for now, and yeah, see you guys later. Bye. My mom found a new pet.
Come on, Rusty, this way. Come on, you can do it. Oh, you're going that way. Bye.